As a beginner, you can earn between $100 to $10,000 by doing domain flipping. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about how you can earn up to $500 to $1,000 flipping domains. So if you don't know what domain flipping is a practice of buying and selling domain names. All right, you buy domain names for cheap and then you sell it at a higher price, and the return on investment is very, very high. For instance, you can buy a domain for as low as $10 and sell it for $500, and that is huge money for you if you know how to do this business. So if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajima Misyoto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video, kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I post more videos you will be notified. Okay, so like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Okay, so let me take you straight to my slide. Let me take you to my slide, and then let's go ahead with this video. So this is a simple guide that will just show you the step-by-step process of how you can make your $500 from domain flipping business. This is a business that a lot of people don't talk about. Okay, you will never, even if you're a beginner, you may not even know that this business is existing. But once you know how it works, you can be making money quietly from this business. All right, so most of what people hear about is affiliate marketing, blogging, website design, but this is a secret business you can do and make money for yourself without making noise on the internet. So why do I say this is a business you can do? You don't need to be posting all the time online. You don't need to be present all the time online. You can do this business secretly from your room, from the comfort of your home. Do this business and make your money without going anywhere, without delivering any product, without even creating any product. Are you getting it now? So this is a very lucrative business for you, and I'm going to show you how you can start this business. All right, I'm going to show you it at least with an investment of about, say, $30 or $50. You can start this business. All right, so let's go straight. Let me show you the step-by-step process of how you can make at least $500 flipping domains. Okay, so my first step here is for you to research on trending keywords and niches. You need to research on trending keywords and niches. If you want to make money from this business, you don't want to be doing everything. You want to focus on one aspect. So for instance, you want to be selling domain names, you need to focus on one niche. For example, you can focus on real estate, you can focus on driving schools, you can focus on cryptocurrencies, you can focus on one area, you can focus on doctors. That's those in the medical fields. Okay, you can focus on AI. So it is very important for you to first do your research so that you can know which is the trending topics and the trending keywords and the trending niches that you can go into. Right, that's my number one. Number two on this list, hold on a bit. So number two on this list is to find and purchase available domains. Now, there are domains that are available for you to purchase, and places where you can purchase these domains are like sites like GoDaddy, like Namecheap, all right, or probably on domain auction platforms. You can buy domains that are very easy to remember. All right, domains that are easy to remember are like 2-word domains or 3-word domains, but 2-word domains are domains that are easy to remember. All right, like drivingschool.com or bigmoney.com. You understand? 2 words. all right, or gooddoctor.com. Those are examples of short, memorable names. So you need to make sure that you find available domains, and I'll show you where to find them. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 is to focus on domain extensions. When you want to buy your domain, you need to focus on the domain extensions. When we say domain extensions, we're talking about .com, all right? When you hear godaddy.com, that .com now is an extension. Are you getting now? Some are IO, some are UK, some are NG, all right? So there are different types of domain extensions, but the best kind of extensions you can purchase are the .com extensions. All right, these are some of the things you should keep in mind when you're thinking of buying your domain. That's the third step. The fourth step is to get your domain from expired domains. Now, when we say expired domains, there are locations on the internet, there are platforms on the internet where you can purchase domains that have expired. Are you getting now? You purchase domains that are expired. For example, now, if I buy a domain, I can say, okay, I'm buying this domain for 1 year. After that 1 year, that domain can expire. It will be required for me to renew that domain name. So if I fail to renew it, somebody else is waiting to buy that domain name. Are you getting now? So that's how it works when you want to buy domain names from expired domains. So one example, one of the locations where you can buy domain names is to use expireddomains.net. Okay, there are ways for you to do this. There are very, very strategic ways to do this, but you need to learn how it works. Otherwise, you might be wasting your time online. All right. So the last one is for you to list your domain name on marketplaces. All right. Let's say you've purchased the name. The next thing to do is to list it on reputable marketplaces. Some example of those marketplaces are Flipper, Sido, Afternic, which was formerly Dan.com. All right, which was formerly Dan.com. Right now, you can put your domain name on that platform, and then somebody will purchase your domain. All right, if they purchase it, if you imagine you buy a domain name for $10 and you sell it for $500, that's huge money for you. All right, now these are the 5 ways. I said 5, all right, but we're seeing 6 here. That's a mistake. But these are the 5 ways and the 5 steps for you to make up to $500 flipping domains. If you want to learn how this works very well, all right, you want to really learn how this works, go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there that will lead you to where you can access more information about how to start this business. All right, if you also want to learn how to make money online, doing affiliate marketing or doing other things online to help you make money, or you want someone to mentor you and coach you till you start making money online, go to the link in the description, all right, and click on the link, and I'll see you inside. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.